Is your brand new iPhone 14 frozen, stuck on a black screen, or just acting completely unresponsive? Don't panic. You don't need a repair shop. You just need to know the secret handshake. In under 60 seconds, I'm going to show you Apple's #1 troubleshooting trick to bring your phone back to life without losing a single byte of data. All you need to do is force a restart. We're going to use a specific 3-step sequence. Grab your phone and follow along. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Now quickly press and release the volume down button, and now press and hold that large side button. Don't let go. Even when you see the slide to power off bar, keep holding that side button. We're waiting for the screen to go pitch black. The moment you see the white Apple logo pop back up, that's your cue to let go. What this does is force the software to kill any glitched code and reload everything from scratch. It's 100% safe for your photos and apps. If it didn't work the first time, you probably didn't hit the volume buttons fast enough. It's all about the rhythm. Tap, tap, hold. Once that Apple logo finishes loading, your iPhone 14 should be back to its snappy normal self. If this quick fix saved your day, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips that actually work. Ever wonder how to show hidden apps on your iPhone? Watch this video now.